Did you know? French cooking is renowned for its meticulous preparation and rich flavors, often considered an art form. The term mise en place, a French culinary term meaning everything in its place, is a fundamental concept in French kitchens. It refers to the practice of preparing and organizing all your ingredients before you start cooking. This ensures that the cooking process flows smoothly, efficiently, and without interruption. It's a philosophy that's not just practical, but also deeply embedded in the culture of French gastronomy, emphasizing precision, preparation, and respect for the ingredients. Coq au vin, chicken in wine, is French country cooking at its finest. This dish is a poem to simplicity and flavor. Imagine tender chicken bathed in a rich, wine-infused sauce. The aroma fills the kitchen with warmth. Each bite is a delightful journey. Coq au vin is a dish of humble origins. French peasants created this dish. They used older roosters, tougher but full of flavor. Slow cooking in wine transformed the meat. It became incredibly tender and flavorful. Each ingredient in coq au vin plays a crucial role. Wine, the heart of the dish, provides depth and complexity. Red Burgundy is traditional. Its acidity tenderizes the chicken. Its fruitiness adds layers of flavor. Bacon, diced and rendered, adds a smoky richness. Onions and garlic, slowly caramelized, provide a sweet and savory base. Mushrooms, plump and earthy, contribute an umami depth. The cooking process is a dance of aromas and textures. First, brown the bacon. Its fat will cook the chicken. Sear the chicken until golden. Remove it, set it aside. Now the onions and garlic soften in the bacon fat. Their aroma fills the air. Add the mushrooms. Cook until they release their juices. Return the chicken to the pot. Deglaze the pot with wine, scraping up those flavorful bits. Add some fresh thyme and let it simmer. The kitchen fills with a symphony of tantalizing scents. After hours of simmering, the chicken is fall-apart tender. The sauce, rich and complex, is an ode to patience. Serve coq au vin with crusty bread, perfect for sopping up the sauce. A simple salad adds freshness. Coq au vin is more than just a dish. It embodies the French spirit. It's about transforming simple ingredients into something extraordinary. It's about sharing a meal with loved ones, creating memories around the table. It's about savoring the moment, one delicious bite at a time.